How to publish Wix website for free. So go open your browser. In the search bar, type in wix.com. In this page, click on Get Started and make sure to sign up with your email or Facebook, or you can also use your Apple account. After that, choose what type of website you like to publish. Type in the name. Choose here again whatever is the most fit to your interest. Now here, click on Dashboard. Click on Design Site, and you can either customize your site or just use a template. So I will be using a template since that is the easier option. So choose a template here, and you can also see a preview first by clicking on the view before editing your own. Now in this page, everything is up to your liking on what layout your website should be. You can add in elements, section, pages and menu, and everything you can find in this side panel. Once you're done designing your site, click on Publish here on the upper right corner of the screen. Just click on this first option since we want a free website. Click on Save and Continue, and as you can see, the website is now published. So that is how to publish Wix website for free. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.